This question is asking you to prove that a certain quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus. So one important thing to remember about a rhombus is that the definition of a rhombus is that it has 4 congruent sides. So ideally, we want to prove that all 4 of these sides are congruent. So we have to find the distances. So from P we go up, and then we go over to Q. You just count the boxes. This is 5 on top, and this is 5 on the bottom. So it goes up 5 over 5. So to find that distance, you would do 5 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. Just a Pythagorean theorem. So you'd get 25 plus 25 equals c squared. And then adding the 25s, you would end up with 50 equals c squared. And to get the length of that side, you would just take the square root. So the length of that side is radical 50, which you could simplify to 5 radical 2 if you wanted to. So right there, this side is radical 50. Now, let's find the distance between Q and R. Q and R just goes over 1, and then it goes down 7. So 7 there, 1 there. And you're still going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So you'd have 1 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. And 1 squared is 1. 7 squared is 49. This is looking good. 1 plus 49 is 50 equals c squared. To find the length of that side, you take the square root again. And again, you see that the side is square root of 50, which is great. Now to find the length of SR, you do the same thing. You go over and you go up. But notice, this is 5 and this is 5, just like it was for PQ. So don't do any extra work, you already did that math. This is just the square root of 50 again. And the same thing ends up happening when you find the length of PS. Go from P to S, you go down 7, you go over 1. So again, you're using 7 and 1 squared equals c squared, and you end up with c equals the square root of 50. Now, to finish off this proof, you just have to write a very, very quick statement. Just PQRS is a rhombus because all 4 sides are congruent. And you've just proven that PQRS is a rhombus because every single side has a distance of radical 50.